Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I do thank you all so much who are taking your time to watch my videos. It really means so much to me. And in case anyone is wondering, my name is Rhonda. You can call me Belle or whatever you like. And I know some people have asked me what my name was, and I have kind of quit saying it. Like I've mentioned before, I really don't like my name. So I don't even like saying my name. I don't know why, I just don't like my name. So I am going to show you all what I got in the tribe. Now I really was almost sure I had canceled this one because of Christmas and the holidays and Levi's birthday. I cut back on a lot of my things and I was sure this was one of them, but I guess not. This is one that comes bi-monthly. It is, I think, $34.99. Yeah, $34.99 a box. This is the December-January bag. So they do sell, I think, pretty sure they have like eyelashes, and they have a store where you can buy things at a discount like boxycharm, but yeah, not at the discount boxycharm does. They don't sell anything as good as what boxycharm, but I mean, it is worth the money for what they give you. But like I said, I was sure I had canceled it, but when I went through my email, I did not find the cancellation email, so I must have thought I did and just forgot. So I'm probably going to make sure I do this time because, like I said, I've got to cut back, and this is not one of my absolute favorite ones. I mean, it's okay, but so I got the Poppy Cosmetics Neon Drip. It says this retails for $29. It says create perfect, bold, glam looks with mattes and shimmers from the Neon Drip palette. These 12 vibrant and super blendable pressed pigments will make you look hotter than ever. So this is what the packaging looks like. Let me open it. This is the palette. It does have the little protector thing, has a big mirror, and I have no colors like this. It is really a cool palette. I can't think of any colors that I have that are this bold and neon looking, and I will be doing a look. I don't know how I can pull off these kind of looks, because I think I might be getting too old for these kind of looks, but I'm going to attempt it because they're really pretty. That's called Side Chick. This is called Side Chick. This is called Slimy. This one's called Lit. I'm going to, wow, some of the names on here. This one's called Wet. They got Slippery, Batty, Flex, Clout, Kiki, Poppin', Culture, Freaky. There's some of the ones I have to remember to wipe my swatches off. So, I mean, they are very pigmented. Look at that. I will have to try a look with that. I might look crazy, but I'll have to try it at a time that I'm not going to be going out anywhere, because I really want to try that one more look. Oops. Look how pretty, and they are really bold. I wonder who in the world names the names, though. It's just kind of weird. I know that Jeffree Star names his I don't have any Jeffree Star palettes, never tried any of his products. I always wanted to, but I just never have not had the really had the funds to get any of the really nice ones. And I know from what I've seen, he names his some really wacky-doo names. I do have my Glamnetic lashes. Look at that. See how cool? This one I did take off and put back because I did not like the position the first time. But this one just went right on perfect. It is, you can actually feel when I was putting them on, you know how when you put magnets towards each other and that you feel the pull, you can actually feel the pull. I can't believe, look at that, I cannot believe, you can see it pulling my eyelid. That's how good it attaches. I cannot believe it, that it really works that well. I can't believe it's $60 retail price, but I mean, these would be cool for those times that you have like a big dinner or something, but yeah, I would never pay $60 for lashes that you might wear. You know, if people who wear them tend to wear them quite often, and that's a lot of money. So, in case you wonder about my nails, I am in the process of taking my gel nails off and redoing my nails, so that's why some are polished and some aren't, because it takes a while to get the gel off. And I did get aggravated enough, I had mentioned before, where I had patched this one up. I finally got aggravated enough to cut it, and then I broke this one, so I'm going to be doing something about it. But the rest of them, I am still in the process of taking the gel off of them. You've got to be really gentle or you will ruin your natural nails if you tug at them. So you got to be gentle and take it slowly, getting even just the gel polish. So let's see, the next product was the Suva Beauty. Oh, the Suva Beauty was the other one that it could have been. I was going to say, I don't have anything from Suva Beauty. Okay, that is the other palette that you could have gotten instead of this one, the Saffron palette. But I got the Neon Drip. That is, usually they have one of two palettes or one of two something. It usually is palettes that you can get, and usually you can go pick which one you want. I didn't pick because, like I said, I was sure I had canceled this subscription. I mean, I was sure I had canceled it, but I can't find the email confirming it, so I have to go make sure I do this time. So the next thing is the Balm Down Boy Blush. I have never tried the Balm Blush. I have tried their eyeshadow palette, but I have never tried their blush. So it looks like this, pretty light pink. I'll have to try that, and it's really cute packaging. The Balm has some of the cutest packaging, and it comes in the little sleeve to keep it safe. So I have more makeup on than I usually do. This will probably go up before, but I have on what I had done with my Juvia's Place, that haul, when I did the video showing you all that there was a big sale. I did give in and buy some things, and I did pretty much a full face of Juvia. So that will be probably soon after this video. Or it might go before, but it'll probably be after. So that retails for $21. Can you believe that? I know the Balm is really cute and everything, but $21 for a blush. And then the Avant Skincare Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. And it is a full size. And this retails for $134. Like I said in the other video, Avant, I don't know if it's really worth that, but I do know every box that I've seen with Avant products has it listed for crazy prices. So this is a day cream. I don't have any of their day creams, so I will use that. It says Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream is an age radiance cream that aims to illuminate your skin and consequently your day, combining the signature ingredients of hyaluronic acid, seawater, jojoba oil, and soy lecithin. This moisturizer is designed to intensify the illumination of your skin. And again, it retails for $134. I should be adding this up for you too. So the box is $34.99 is what the box cost, and the palette was $29. The blush is $21. The moisturizer is $134, and then I got a Iman Cosmetics Perfect Pencil and Nut Bush. What in the world? Some of these names. This retails for $10. Line and define your eyes with this brown liner and achieve a softer look. Different from the typical black eyeliner, creamy enough for smooth, easy application without streaking and smearing. Oh, it's closed, so it has a sharpener attached. I want to open it so I can show you if it is smooth or not, because we all know we don't like any kind of liners that aren't very smooth going on, especially eyeliners where they're going to tug at your eyes. So I'm going to open it so I can tell you. So it looks like that. No tugging. Pretty brown. I mean, it is a pencil that has to be sharpened, and so often those do tug, but this one does not appear to tug. It does appear to be a really creamy formula. I have never heard of this brand. Have you heard of Iman, or however you pronounce it? And the color Nut Bush. So happy to see this because I've been wanting a product from the Brenda and Dylan Kelly, the 90210. I've been wanting some of these, not particularly this, just anything from their line, because I loved 90210. I grew up with that show, and I was wanting something from this line, and I got a lippy. I mean, it's nothing. I really would love the eyeshadow, but I could not afford it. And this is probably something that's not too bad. That's what it looks like. I was going to say, and it'll probably be a color I don't even like. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? But it's not just a matter of, I just wanted something from their line. It says Brenda and Dylan, or Brenda Hart, I guess it don't say and, it says Brenda, Dylan, and Kelly. You remember when Luke Perry had the stroke and passed away? That was just so sad. I love 90210. This retails for $14. So all of these items have a retail price of $198, and the box is $34.99. So the value is obviously there. I usually go by, it's not just whether the value is there, are these items that I would go out and purchase on my own, is usually how I look at it. And if there's enough products to, say, cover that $34.99, then I consider it a good box. Like boxycharm, usually it only takes one item that you see in there that you would go out and get on your own, and that pays for your box. Usually one item more than pays for the box. And there's always at least a couple items in their box that I love, that I am really glad to get, that more than pay for the box, so I'm usually happy. But this one, there is really, I mean, I will use the products, but and these two items I would probably buy on their own. I haven't bought this, and I probably would at $14. It was just because that place that has them, you have, when I looked, it was a pretty big shipping fee the one time I looked to just buy a small item. Now, I do like hyaluronic acid, and I do think Avant is a good product, but I still would not buy all of these things. I just don't think I would buy all of these things for the $34.99. Now, if money was not an option and I could spend whatever I wanted to spend, then yeah, I would get this every 2 months, just like other things. But since money is, you know, I do have to watch what I spend. It is not an option to just spend whatever. So that is usually how I look at it. So what do you all think? Do you think that it's worth $34.99? Would you pay $34.99 for those products? Let me know, and let me know what you all are doing this weekend. Let me know how you're doing, how your families are doing. Just let me know. And I like to know how you all are doing, especially in these times where things are just so hard for so many of us. But I want y'all to know I care about you. I think about you. I pray about you when y'all mention to me that you're having any kind of problems. And I just wanted y'all to know that. And I love you all. Bye-bye.